Hello, welcome to Tripzoa. In our last video, we have seen how we can create a new itinerary from scratch. If you have not seen that video, highly recommend going back to that video before this one. So once we have an itinerary built, we can reuse, customize and send out any number of proposals to various clients from our itinerary. Today we'll use our Dubai itinerary to create a new proposal. To create a new proposal, click on the Create Proposal button here on the itinerary. We are now in the New Proposal Builder screen. This looks very similar to our itinerary builder that we have seen earlier, but this one serves a different purpose. It shows here, in the header section, that we are working on a proposal. And the controls in this screen are slightly different from the ones on Itinerary Builder. Most important one of those is the Send to Client button, which we will see in a minute. Today we are creating a proposal for our client, Max Lucas. Let's rename this proposal to Max's Dubai Landmark Tour. We can change any of the elements of this proposal now, like the flight or any of the activities to fit the client requirements. And once we are happy with all the changes, then we can share the proposal with client. To send the proposal to client as email, click on the Send to Client button here, which brings up the proposal sharing screen. We provide client details, pricing information and a personalized message here before we send it out. Let's start with client email address, and we can choose to save client details to Tripzoa. Next, we add price details on this trip. And finally, a personalized message to client. This message is sent to client as part of the email that we send with the itinerary. So our proposal is now ready to be sent to Max Lucas. We click Send to trigger an email with all the details. We have a confirmation here saying the email has been sent. Let's head over to Max's inbox to see how the itinerary is delivered. This is the email that the client has received. In this email, we have the cover image, itinerary title and description along with the personalized message, a link to the itinerary and your contact details. When client clicks on this View Itinerary button, they see the itinerary that you have built for them with all the activities, flights, hotels with all the attached media and content. All the way to the bottom, we have the price and your contact details. So, Max can go through the itinerary and can communicate with you over this itinerary. You can make any changes if necessary or proceed with the bookings if they are happy with the trip. Coming back to Tripzoa, this screen shows all of your proposals and here is our Max's Dubai trip. This table also shows trip status. Status like, if the trip is accepted, or if it is in revision, or has already been paid. This trip is currently in sent status. You can set status for each individual trip as it progresses, to track them better. Let's go back to itineraries and create one more proposal from this Dubai Landmark Tour. This time we are creating a new proposal for Mary. But let's say this client wanted 4 days in Dubai. We can add another day and move it into position and add activities that we want. This new day is added only on Mary's trip and not in others. This way, we can have full flexibility and can adapt our itinerary to any kind of trip. That was a quick tour of how you can create and share detailed proposals in minutes with Tripzoa. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss more features including the exciting dashboards and more itinerary sharing options. Stay tuned. Once again, welcome on board. We are so excited to see you grow your business with Tripzoa.